seconds, some people on there locked up and ready. The line is set. Start is orders, and I really jump out, and as they settle down to race, it's Marwar the leader. Now being passed on the outside, that's second time. Second time the leader from Marwar in second, followed back on the outside, they're making a forward move with Inestis. And then we have Robert also with them. And behind them is Monster. For the 2 lengths behind is Swift Race is having the race is Careful One, followed by Zeraxia, Brave Russell, and last of all is Sensational Lover. We are approaching the 900-meter marker, and as they second time the leader from Inestis in second. And then we have Careful One on the outside, and holding the fence is Monster. Robert comes in next, Marwar is also with them. Brave Russell making a forward on the outside, Zeraxia, Sensational Lover, as they approach the 600-meter marker. It's second time from Inestis up the one to Monster is racing next, Riverbed, and on the outside is Careful as they begin to approach the 500-meter marker. It's second time from Inestis, Riverbed, that's the 1, 2, and 3 as they approach the final 400. Second time on the inside, and the Inestis on the outside, Monster and Riverbed is also crawling around on the outside, followed by Brave Russian and the far side Careful One. Racing inside the final 200, it's still Inestis from second time, and Riverbed crawling around on the outside, and it's going to be Riverbed on the outside from Inestis on second time, and Riverbed is going away from this field. Riverbed is about to lengthen half in front, and the fast finishing second time, but Riverbed is from second time, followed by Inestis, Zeraxia, Brave Russian, Sensational Lover, then we have Careful One, Marwar, and last of all is Monster.
Fourth race at Bangalore is race number 7, United States.